Sai Ram. Living in the present or the power of now is so important because the present is the only space where we have any control, right? Now, when the body is unable to time travel to the past or the future, what is the use of the mind traveling there? And this is what we call as being aware. Living in the present means to be aware. And every time when Swami spoke about awareness, he would always qualify it as constant integrated awareness. So, awareness means that awareness which is constant and integrated. But that is like saying fire is the fire which has light and heat. Well, if you have experienced fire, there is no need to speak of it that way. In the same way, till we have experienced what this awareness is, it is necessary to remind ourselves that it has to be constant and integrated. But what does it mean when we say that awareness should be constant and integrated? I would like to share 3 experiences which are apparently disconnected and highly bizarre, but they give us this answer. One of the stories that Swami would often narrate was that of Lord Krishna and Arjuna going out for a walk. During the walk, Krishna looks up at the sky and says, "Hey Arjuna, look, there's an eagle." Arjuna doesn't even look up at the skies. He just turns to the Lord and says, "Yes, that is indeed an eagle." And then Krishna looks up once again and says, "No Arjuna, I think that's a crow." Arjuna once again nods. He says, "Yes, it is a crow." The bird now comes lower, and then Krishna looks up and says, "No Arjuna, that's a dove." And Arjuna says, "Yes, my lord, it's a dove." Now Krishna says, "Arjuna, you're not even looking up. Are you a fool? You're simply blindly nodding to whatever I say." And Arjuna responds, "Lord, I trust your word more than my own eyes. Whatever you say is the truth." And Swami would emphasize on the faith of Arjuna, saying, see how aware Arjuna is that Krishna is divine, he never lets his guard down. Now, whenever I heard this story from Swami, I used to wonder what was so special about Arjuna. Swami, if you also tell me something, if you say, "Look, Arvind, there is a peacock flying in the sky," I will nod, Swami. I am also aware that you are divine. What is so special about Arjuna? Give me a chance, I will also show that I am Arjuna. Let us now fast forward to a Trai session that was happening in Bhagwan's own residence at Brindavan Whitefield in the city of Bangalore. During this intimate Trai session where all the students were seated around Swami, who was sitting on the jhula, Swami was discoursing. And once again in his discourse, he began to narrate this classic Krishna-Arjuna story. I was making notes in my book. I stopped because I know the story, right? I thought, let me look at Swami and focus on him. Narrating the story, Swami said, Krishna told Arjuna, "Look Arjuna, there's a lion that is in the skies." And Arjuna said, "Yes, O Lord." After that, Krishna looked up and said, "No Arjuna, I don't think that it's a lion. I think it's a horse." And Arjuna says, "Yes, Lord, it's indeed a horse that is flying." At this point in time, I was really stunned and shocked. I knew that Swami would often spice up the story or bring variety in the story by changing the birds. Once it will be a dove, once it will be a pigeon, once it will be a parrot, once it will be a peacock. That's okay. But Swami, now you're making a lion and a horse fly. How? Swami, please, please don't do this. And then Swami says that Krishna told Arjuna, "No Arjuna, I think it's a dove." I was relieved. Swami has come back to the story. And the story was complete, after which Swami completed his discourse. It was very good. Many weeks later, it hit me that I actually had my Arjuna moment here. But I failed miserably because I was so conditioned. My awareness that Swami is God was not constant. I was ready to accept him as the Lord as long as he sticks to the birds. The moment he shifted it to a lion or a horse, I did not believe. So therefore, awareness that Swami is God is one thing, but it needs to be constant. And that was the day I decided that Swami, next time when you tell the story, even if you say that Krishna looked up at the skies and said, "Look Arjuna, there's a dragon that is flying in the skies," I will accept it with a calm heart, because I shall show to you that I am Arjuna. Now let us fast forward to 2009, when Swami had taken a few of us along with him to Hadshi to inaugurate the Panduranga Kshetra there. It was a very memorable trip, which became more memorable for me because of this experience. One morning, as Swami came out of his room in Hadshi, we decided to surprise him with a session of viewing photographs. There was a giant television that was present there, and I had connected my laptop to the TV and had kept a photo slideshow ready for him to see. As we were going through the different photographs, Swami showed a lot of interest in one particular photograph. This was a photo of the Hadshi residence silhouetted against the rising sun, the morning skies. As we were viewing this photo, Swami said, "Wow, the moon is so beautiful." I said, "No Swami, that is not the moon, that is the sun." Swami then said, "Look, it's all dark everywhere. It is definitely the moon because it is a night." Now I did not know what I should tell Swami, how to tell him that I had exposed in the camera for the skies, and therefore whatever was not as bright as the sky came dark. It is not the night. So I just left all that and I said, "See Swami, it is orange. How the moon can be orange? It is the sun." And then Swami looked at me and said, "Okay, if you say so, then it is the sunrise." I smiled and we went ahead with the photo session. We sing the bhajan. Chand aur suraj tumne banaye. "Oh Lord, you made the moon and the sun." I sing it in my bhajan, and yet when I sat in front of him, I told him, "Swami, you don't know, you might, you made the moon, but you don't know the moon. This is actually the sun." Once again, I failed to be Arjuna, because, Arjuna told Krishna that, "Lord, if you say so, it is a dove, it is an eagle, it is a crow." But here, I made the Lord tell me that, okay, if you say so, it is the sun. So you see, awareness needs to be constant. It also needs to be integrated. I was ready for a dragon flying in the sky, but I was not ready for a moon in the sky. So coming back to the point with which we started, if we need to live in the present, we need to be aware, and this awareness needs to be constant and integrated. But we need to be aware of what? We need to be aware that divinity resides within each and every one of us. Swami is in all. Swami is in everything that I see, hear, touch, taste or smell. And that awareness needs to be constant and integrated. But how to develop this constant integrated awareness? In a series of discourses that Swami delivered in the first and second week of April in 1993 at Kodaikanal, Swami spoke extensively on constant integrated awareness. During one such discourse, I think on the 12th of April, Swami said that in order to develop this constant integrated awareness, one needs to develop detachment. We may wonder, how does detachment lead to constant integrated awareness? I would prefer to be like a patient who accepts the medicine given by the doctor without trying to analyze the chemistry and biochemistry that goes in the medicinal action. Let's just take the pill, the illness will be gone. In the same way, let us develop detachment, and with that, automatically we will get constant integrated awareness. But what is detachment? That is the next question. I think for starters, this video on the difference between love and infatuation and attachment would be very, very helpful. This video here. Have a look at it. Hope you enjoy it. Hope we all grow in our love for Swami and detachment towards the world. Then we will be able to constantly live in the present, be happy, peaceful, and filled with joy. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.
Gananam tva tva gananam gananam tva ganapatim ganapatim tva gananam gananam tva ganapatim tva ganapatim ganapatim tva tva ganapatigum havamahe havamahe Ganapatim tva tva ganapatigum havamahe Ganapatigum havamahe havamahe Ganapatim ganapatigum havamahe kavim kavigum havamahe Ganapatim ganapatigum havamahe kavim Ganapatimiti ganapatim havamahe kavim kavigum havamahe havamahe kavim kavina kavina kavigum havamahe havamahe kavim kavina kavim kavina kavinam kavim kavim kavina mupamashavastamam mupamashavastamam kavinam kavim kavim kavinam mupamashavastamam Kavina mupamashavastama mupamashavastama Kavina kavina mupamashavastama Upamashavastama mityupamashavaha Tamam Jestarajam brahmanam brahmanam Jestarajam jestarajam Brahmanam brahmano brahmano brahmana Jestarajam jestarajam brahmanam brahmanaha Jestarajamiti jestarajam brahmanam brahmano brahmano brahmanam brahmanam brahmanaspate pate brahmano brahmanam brahmanam brahmanaspate Brahmanaspate pate brahmano brahmanaspata apate brahmano brahmanaspata apata apate pata anona apate pata anaha anona anashrinvan shrinvan na anashrinvan nashrinvan shrinvan nona shrinvan nutibi rutibi shrinvan nona shrinvan nutibihi Shrinvan nutibi rutibi shrinvan shrinvan nutibi sida sidutibi shrinvan shrinvan nutibi sida utibi sida sidutibi utibi sida sadanagum sadanagum sidutibi rutibi sida sadana utibi rityuti bihi Sida sadanagum sadanagum sida sida sadana sadanamiti sadana Pranona praprano devi devi da praprano devi no devi devi no no devi saraswati saraswati devi no no devi saraswati devi saraswati saraswati devi devi saraswati Vajebir Vajebis Saraswati Saraswati Devi Devi Saraswati Vajebihi Saraswati Vajebir Vajebis Saraswati Saraswati Vajebir Vajirivati Vajirivati Vajebir Saraswati Saraswati Vajebir Vajirivati Vajebir Vajirivati Vajirivati Vajebir Vajebir Vajirivati Vajirivati ti Vajirivati Dhinama Vitriya Vitriya Dhinam Dhinama Vitriya Vatva Vatva Vitriya Dhina Dhinama Vitrayavatu Avadvitriya Vatva Vatva Vitriya Vitrayavatu Avadvityavatu Om Shanti 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 योपां पुष्पं वेद पुष्पवान् प्रजावान् पशुमान् भवति चन्द्रमा वा अपां पुष्पं पुष्पवान् प्रजावान् पशुमान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति अग्निर्वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति योऽग्निरायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वा अग्निरायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति वायुर्वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यो वायोरायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै वायोरायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति असौ वै तपन्नपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यो मुष्यतपत आयतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वा अमुष्यतपत आयतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति चन्द्रमा वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यश्चन्द्रमस आयतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै चन्द्रमस आयतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति नक्षत्राणि वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यो नक्षत्राणाम् आयतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै नक्षत्राणाम् आयतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति पर्जन्यो वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यः पर्जन्यस्यायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै पर्जन्यस्यायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति संवत्सरो वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यः संवत्सरस्यायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै संवत्सरस्यायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योऽप्सुनावं प्रतिष्ठितां वेद प्रद्येव तिष्ठति राजातिराजाय प्रसंयसाहिने नमो वयं वै श्रवणाय कुर्महे समे कामान् कामकामाय मह्यम् कामेश्वरो वै श्रवणो ददातु कुबेराय वै श्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण मयि वैशाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
मन मंदिर में आवो साई, मन मंदिर में आवो साई, साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ, साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ। साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ, साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ। मन मंदिर में आवो साई, साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ, साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ, साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ। मन मंदिर में आवो साई,
राजराजेश्वरी जगन्मोहिनी, राजराजेश्वरी राधे गोविंद कृष्ण मुरारे सत्य साई मुकुंद मुरारी सत्य साई मुकुंद मुरारी राधे गोविंद कृष्ण मुरारी सत्य साई मुकुंद मुरारी राधे गोविंद कृष्ण मुरारी राधे गोविंद राधे गोविंद साई गोविंद सत्य साई मुकुंद मुरारी सत्य साई मुकुंद मुरारी राधे गोविंद कृष्ण मुरारी
भस्मभूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा भस्मभूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा कालनेत्र शूलधारी साई शंकरा कालनेत्र शूलधारी साई शंकरा भस्मभूषितांग साई शंकरा सामगान प्रियकरा साई शंकरा सामगान प्रियकरा साई शंकरा सिद्धांत साई चंद्रा काल नेत्र शूलधारी साई चंद्रा सिद्धांत साई सामगान प्रियकरा साई शंकरा हर 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 शिव शंभो नटल शेखरा हर साई नमो जय शुभदाई नमो जय साई नमो जय शुभदाई नमो जय गोविंद जय गोपाल जय महादेव नमो जय गोविंद जय गोपाल जय महादेव नमो जय जय साई नमो जय शुभदाई नमो विश्वविदाता विश्वविदाता अभयप्रदाता विश्वविदाता जगदोधार नमो जगदोधार नमो जय शिवदीशा जय पतीशा जय परमेश नमो जय शिवदीशा जय पतीशा जय परमेश नमो जय साई नमो जय शुभदाई नमो जय गोविंद जय गोपाल जय महादेव नमो जय जय साई नमो जय शुभदाई नमो अभयप्रदाता विश्वविदाता जगदोधार नमो जय शिवदीशा जय पतीशा जय परमेश नमो जय शिवदीशा जय पतीशा जय परमेश नमो जय जय साई नमो जय शुभदाई नमो
साईनाथ भगवान साईनाथ भगवान
भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, हरि भजन बिना सुख हरि नाम बिना आनंद नहीं, हरि नाम बिना हरि नाम बिना आनंद नहीं, हरि नाम बिना हरि भजन बिना शांति नहीं, हरि भजन बिना शांति नहीं, जप ध्यान बिना संयोग नहीं, जप ध्यान बिना संयोग नहीं, प्रभु दर्श बिना प्रज्ञान नहीं, दय धर्म बिना सत्कर्म नहीं, भगवान बिना कोई अपना नहीं, हरि नाम बिना परमात्मा नहीं, हरि नाम बिना परमात्मा नहीं, हरि भजन बिना शांति नहीं, हरि भजन बिना शांति नहीं, हरि नाम बिना आनंद नहीं, हरि भजन बिना हरि भजन बिना हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं।
शांति शांति शांति, भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। शांति शांति शांति, ईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। शांति शांति शांति।
Bhagavan's counsel for today. Bliss, Ananda, is the innate nature of all. But the pity is people are searching for it everywhere except where it is available. Bliss is not something lifeless and inactive. It is another name for purposeful living. Peace is the authority under which the rule of bliss prevails. It lays down limits and laws for all activities. It must be made so stable that it is unaffected by the ever-wandering mind or the outward bound senses. It can be experienced personally only through natural state of wisdom. It is the most precious treasure, the one who grasps that which is deathless, that which cannot be destroyed, that which is not modified. That one is the enjoyer of peace and has no death. Peace is a shoreless ocean. It is the light that illumines the world. Having it is having all. It confers knowledge of both this world and that. It leads to the understanding of Brahman, the very fulfillment of human life. Jai Sai Ram, and now we shall offer Mangala Arati to Bhagavan.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare Swami Satya Sai Hare Bhakta Jana Samrakshaka Bhakta Jana Samrakshaka Pati Maheshwara Om Jai Jagadish Hare Shashivadana Srikara Sarva Pranapati Swami Sarva Pranapati Asmita Kalpalatika Asmita Kalpalatika Avatandava Om Jai Jagadish Hare Matapita Gurudeva Mariyandayunive Swami Mariyandayunive Nada Brahma Jagannatha Nada Brahma Jagannatha Nagendra Shayana Om Jai Jagadish Hare Omkara Rupa Jai Om Sai Mahadeva Satya Sai Mahadeva Mangala Arati Anduko Mangala Arati Anduko Mandara Giridhari Om Jai Jagadish Hare Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Sadgurudeva Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Sadgurudeva Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Sadgurudeva Shanti 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 Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu Shanti 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 Jai Bolo Bhagavan Shri Satya Sai Baba Ji ki Jai
भर्गः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।